Imagine starting with just $50. Yes, just $50. That's probably less than you spend on a meal out with friends or filling up your car. Now imagine using that small amount to begin building a personal fortune. Sounds impossible? Well, today I'm going to show you not only how it is possible, but exactly how you can do it step by step. We're in the middle of the single biggest market boom in history, the cryptocurrency revolution. The rise of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is shaking up the world's financial system, creating a massive opportunity for investors. And now, with the approval of the first spot Bitcoin ETF by the SEC in January 2024, and BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, along with other major institutions like Fidelity and Vanguard, investing heavily in Bitcoin, this market is no longer just for retail investors. With over 9 trillion in assets under management, BlackRock's involvement is a major signal that big players are moving in. You might not get another chance like this in your lifetime to turn small investments like $50 into something much more significant. But here's the important part. You don't need to risk everything. By starting small and using a small strategy called dollar cost average or DCA, you can maximize risk while still tapping into the huge potential of this growing market. So what's DCA? It's simple. Instead of putting a large sum of money into a cryptocurrency all at once, you invest small fixed amount regularly, whether it's $50 a month, every week, or whatever works for you. This way you're buying cryptocurrency at different price points over time, which helps smooth out the high and low of market. You're not putting on the perfect amount, you're building your position gradually. DCA reduces your exposure to risk, especially in a market as volatile as crypto. You won't have to worry about buying at a peak because over time your cost average out. It's a proven way to manage risk while still giving yourself a chance to profit from the enormous growth potential of Bitcoin and other cryptos. And here's the kicker. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are no longer just for retail investors. What's truly game-changing is the growing institutional adoption, which has moved beyond speculation to strategic long-term involvement. These major players aren't just investing, they are integrating crypto into their core portfolio and creating new financial products around it. This signals a shift in the market from a volatile frontier to a recognized and transformative asset class, reshaping global financial in a way we couldn't have imagined a few years ago. Of course, there are risks. It's a high risk, high reward market, but as long as you're only investing what you could afford to lose, like that $50, it won't keep you up at night and the potential reward could be life-changing. To get started, watch out our videos where we cover everything you need to know about the crypto world, from understanding Web3, explaining blockchain in simple analogies, to how to buy crypto, secure it, and even tutorials on opening centralized and decentralized wallets. We've got it all covered to help you navigate this exciting space. This is the biggest financial revolution the world has ever seen, and it's now being recognized by the biggest institutions. Don't miss out on this, especially when I've made it easier for you to take that first step with as little as $50. A simple DCA strategy and the backing of industry giants like BlackRock. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with others who might benefit. And if you haven't done so yet, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more contents just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.